Let's say you're making a lesson inside Kajabi. You think, I want to add a YouTube video to my lesson, but I don't want to have to try to download the video off of YouTube. And even though it's my video, I don't have the file anymore. I just want to embed the video from YouTube. So how do you do that? So this is actually going to be something that you notice Embed is not in here, but source code is. So in your source code, you're going to put a special line of code. So to do that, go to your YouTube video. That's me. And under the share button, click share. And you'll notice there's an embed option here. So instead of copying the link, you can copy embed. And then you go over here, make sure that all of this is highlighted. Hit copy, link copy to clipboard. You go back to Kajabi, and paste that code in here. Hit OK. And there you can see, instead of showing the code, now it shows the embedded video. And then just to make sure that that worked properly and that it's actually playable. Now this will only work if the video is set to allow embedding, because some channels will set things to where they can't embed things. But if your video is set to embed, then you'll be able to do this.
Even if you're not sure yet if Kajabi is the right platform for you, I definitely encourage you to give it a try. I am so glad that I switched to Kajabi, and I think you will be too. If you want to try out Kajabi, then click the affiliate link down in the description below, and you can get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi. That is double what you can get off of Kajabi's homepage. And in addition, just for using my affiliate link, I'm also going to give you my comprehensive ebook called UX for Course Creators, where it takes all of my knowledge as a professional user experience designer and consultant and combines that with all the experience that I've gained as an online course creator on Kajabi and kind of puts it together so that you can create the best learning experience for your students on your online course. And that's going to help you whether you've already created a course in the past and you want to make it better, or you're brand new to this and you're like, I don't know how to design a course. So if you want to get that, sign up for Kajabi, get the 30-day free trial and the free ebook UX for Course Creators by using the link down below.